Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an agile coach and facilitator, and today I will share this mad, sad, and glad retrospective, which is an interesting and quite simple take on a classic retrospective. In a classic retrospective, we often focus on events that happened. We see what events happened during the last sprint, and in this one, we're taking a bit of a different approach to it. Back to when I facilitate retrospective, I always have something that I want to bring into the light. And with this one, it's talking about how did things make us feel. So we are not writing up facts, we're writing up how did facts make us feel and react. So we focus on events that made team members feel, not just facts. So what events made us feel mad? I feel mad when I felt mad in the last sprint when I saw that we had gotten a new feature request that we have already declined because it was blah, 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 whatever, right? I felt mad when I saw the requirements for the new something. And then the sad, I feel sad that we didn't take time to do this. I feel sad that I didn't have time to do pair programming. Again, trying to anchor it in each individual team member. And then the last one, I'm super glad that we managed to do this. I'm glad that we managed to ship feature something on time. So in this way, we are helping to anchor why it is important to us. So I would recommend when you facilitate it, we can do it quite quickly. First off, individually and in silence, give or take 5 minutes maybe. Just let people sit and write, and then also go round robin, present 2 stickies per turn, and if you have a sticky note that is similar to the one being presented, shout bingo. In that way we can cluster them quite fast and get around the table, and everybody is engaged almost all the time, compared to if it's just one person presenting the first 20 sticky notes and then the next one, and then there's not that much left to be said. So when we have that, a good next step would be to couple it with solution-focused questions. So imagine that this didn't happen anymore. Now you wrote that you feel mad about this. So if this didn't happen, how would you notice that this didn't pose a problem that made you mad anymore? How would you notice that this doesn't make you sad anymore? How would you notice that this still makes you glad? In that way, trying to figure out and hone in on the signs, on the changes that we would see if this or that was or wasn't the case anymore. So that is an introduction to the mad, sad, and glad retrospective. And if you have comments, questions, ideas to these videos, please consider not subscribing. Also do that, but send a message or leave a comment. That would be awesome. And you're of course also more than welcome to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Have a super awesome day.